Tapelo must just come in. Either way, we don't
and
care.
sing with women.
Yes, we don't care.
Because they wanted to win the competition.
Yeah, they wanted to win the competition. Well, mina ngikhulele tavern.
Okay, copy now.
Yeah, asana this story much. Umuntu makashona these days. Sithi amen, hallelujah, shapu, siyabonga. Off to the next chapter. It's not easy, I know.
And that's fun.
So then I audition again. It took me and I joined Spirit of Praise Volume 4. You know, I would have sleepless nights because I knew it's secular music. That time I don't know secular music. I mean, a gospel singer. I was busy jealous. So each day for me it was a learning because I had to sit with new songs every time. Funding, it's okay. How am I going to go about this? It was Sunday night.
Mujapilo no JP Forest phakathi kweQuantum sirenga wonke umzansi boy isukile boy. Let's go right to the sound of
another day, another dollar, another podcast, another episode, another opportunity to inspire and transform lives. Eita hola Shopfere, welcome to another exciting episode of the Quantum Podcast. I-podcast yasekhaya, i-podcast yomphakathi, i-podcast yabantu, i-podcast yomhlaba wonke jikelele. Bafethu, we are coming to you live from Pretoria. Abacavayo bathi isitswane. Ehle yazini, mawuthi yaphuma nje uthi yeBreads yabo. Kancane nje uyayibona nesayini ethi welcome to Breads. Yabo ngathi uyaphuma eGauteng. Kula sikhona. Fair. Silande our superstar. We claim him. We will always claim him. Sometimes nokumuza rana kitwa Limpopo, Marathina Smazeli Timbisa, Panscon 1632. So ladies and gentlemen, let us put our hands together for our superstar, our idol winner, our gospel artist, our jazz artist. He's an all-rounder. He's a superstar. Utravel umhlaba wonke. Ayiki kantranga yazi, but umningi sokuzwa ngaye. Ladies and gentlemen, let us put our hands together for Thapelo M.
Yep.
Thapelo.
Yebo.
Okay.
Ngishafuna.
Kimnati.
Number one.
Welcome to Quantum Podcast.
Thank you so much for having me.
And thank you for welcoming us into your home.
Yes. No, thank you so much.
So, Thapelo.
Yes.
How you been?
No, I've been very well, thank you, man. I've been fine.
Yeah.
It's been a life journey.
Before COVID.
It's
been a minute.
Yeah.
COVID has been hiring people.
Yes,
TV. And thanks to idols.
Yeah.
And thank you for representing us.
Of course.
Yeah.
Yes.
So before I go, who's Thapelo?
I think you've said almost everything about me. But yeah, honestly. That's it. I usually say that because you know when someone says to you, who are you?
Sure.
You don't even know where to start. But,
no, I get it sometimes. I know it's about Thapelo or celebrity.
Yeah.
But we don't know the real Thapelo.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well, Thapelo is a child of God, number one. Yeah. I'm centered around that. And then, Keology Limpopo, like you said, but grew up in Tembisa. I attended high school in Pumulon Secondary. Yeah, that's where I did my whole high school.
But we got talk. Maybe so.
We look at talk. The principal never talk during that time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, man, I grew up in a family of 7. Yeah, we are 6 now. A very warm family that fears the Lord. Yeah, like many, we did not have much, but because of God, we were that family that is okay. You know. So yeah, Thapelo, I'm a nice guy, man. I'm a very nice person, you know.
And you're not a celebrity. Why?
Oh, why must I be? What is a celebrity? I'm trying to figure out.
Okay, a celebrity. I believe the perfect definition, according to my own understanding of celebrity, is someone that is celebrated.
Okay.
Understand?
Okay.
That's why some people who knows better, they will differentiate between a celebrity and a celebrity, a superstar, and
an influencer.
No, not the influencer, understand?
Yes.
Okay, let me just give only those 2 terms. Celebrating a a difference between a celebrity and a superstar.
Mm-hmm.
Understand? So because of there are superstars that are not celebrated.
True.
There are people who are famous but are
Mm.
not celebrated. Yeah,
Correct.
I think that's a
Correct.
correct term.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes. Yes.
So where now you are our celebrity because of we are celebrating you. We are
Yeah.
here to celebrate you. Understand?
Yes.
You can be
Yes.
down to earth, you can be humble, but
Mhm.
still we're still gonna celebrate you.
True. Okay.
Sure.
No, makes sense.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
So, but is there a behavior that the celebrities must have? Are they
I
supposed to come
think
to a
I
certain?
think when we use the word must,
Uh-huh.
it's not a must for them
Okay.
to behave like that.
All right.
But most of them
Okay.
they tend to behave like that.
All right.
Sure.
Okay. No, makes sense.
Yeah.
Now it's clear. I know.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
All right. What keeps you grounded?
What keeps me grounded? Understanding life, man.
Okay.
That we have life. It's a to and fro situation all the time, and for me, my character always has a great impact in terms of what keeps me grounded. I understand, or even if I can be this person today who's celebrated
Mm.
with a content character, you remain humble. Even if things don't work out, maybe
Mm.
you'd still be the same person that you were. In actual fact, it reminds me of what I did after winning the Idols.
Mm.
I went on to sell eggs and Archer.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Ruboni. That's why
Yeah. Yeah, and not that I was in the business, you
Mm.
know, no, but I was just trying to demonstrate to people that regardless of where you are at that time, you should not be ashamed of anything that you are doing. You know what I'm saying? Well, that initiative for me was just to spread out message to
Okay.
the level of unemployment that we have, also
Mm.
character as well. To say, listen, guys, game what you need the idols. Everybody expects me to have this type of a behavior
Mm.
of a so-called celebrity,
Mm.
but that should not change me for who I am. I've
Okay.
been this Tapelo, and I choose to be that person
Mm.
till forever.
Okay.
You know, because I'm comfortable and I'm okay in that space.
Sure.
Yes, I'm working to achievement, good, but even if I can achieve how much and how far, that should not change the person that I am.
Okay.
Yeah. So for me, yeah, that's what keeps me content. My
Mm.
character,
Mm.
my understanding of life perspective. We have, you can go up and still come back.
Mm.
And if you are not content and grounded, if you are up there and then you've changed, when you come down, people that were there to support you, you might not find them. They'll leave you
Okay.
to break because
Sure.
of you do not have a grounded character.
Mm.
Yeah.
All right. Let's go back to Limpopo.
Mm-hmm.
So you said you were born in Limpopo as much as you grew up in Tembisa. So uThapelo uzalelwe kuphi eLimpopo? Which
Mm.
village? And bekwenzakalani leso sikhathi akhula eLimpopo? Imaphi ama-memories anawo ngeLimpopo?
Yeah. Okay, ngikhulelwe a village called Diretsaneng.
Okay.
It's between Mokopane and Polokwane.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's called Diretsaneng. Some close to another famous village called Bakenberg or
Phela
Tiberias.
babulela
Deep,
kaBhakamberg.
Bakenberg,
Yeah.
not far. It's our local thing in Ghana.
Yeah.
So the memories that I have, I remember in high school I used to sing, choral music.
Mm.
And then there was this other time where we went for competitions, and then this teacher said only ladies are needed, all the girl child are needed.
Mm.
But then she
Where
went
is
on
it?
to the
Limpopo?
district in Limpopo. Yeah,
Okay.
she went to the district and said, no, Tabatla Tapelo. Tapelo must just come in. Either way, we don't
And
care.
sing with women.
Yes, we don't care. Or
Because they wanted to win the competition.
Yeah, they wanted to win the competition. Then I started to say, oh, but why must I sing with the girls? This is not fair.
Mm.
They were like, no, you must sing.
Yeah.
They forced until I got there and I went to the competition and we came back, we won actually.
Mm.
So yeah, those are some of the memories that make me understand my why today,
Okay.
What? No, I had a wonderful upbringing, honestly.
Sure.
Not rich, but it was just peaceful. We had the little, but we took the little to survive in terms of life is concerned.
Sure. Then wafitla konke kuThembisa.
Yes.
So the change between Tembisa and Limpopo, because of these are two different places.
True.
Understand?
True.
Baphila basho ukuthi hayi Jozi liyabashintsha abantu and stuff. I know you were still young and stuff.
Yeah.
So wena yini umehluko obonile between Joburg or between GP and Limpopo?
Yeah, it's too much because Joburg is too fast.
Okay.
It's a fast place, man. Wow. survival of the fittest.
Mm.
Everybody's running
And the
to
smartest.
And the smartest,
smartest too, I mean.
exactly. You
Yeah.
need to be smart to survive.
Sure.
Futhi ekasi, I
Sure.
mean, Tembisa, yo.
1632
Yeah,
stand
what is this thing exactly? So yeah, but I think overall for me, it makes you to be awake. You have to be clever.
Mm.
You must be street smart. You must
Yeah.
grab
streetwise.
opportunities. You must grab opportunities because now we are born with man. If you're not
Walala
vacuum,
wasala.
yeah, lali asali.
Sure.
You're born survival of the fittest.
Mm.
So the difference is too big from
Okay.
Limpopo. Limpopo, it's passive. It's not expensive, isn't it? You
Mm.
don't need money on a day-to-day basis.
Sure.
Manje la eJoburg, you need to have bread every day somehow.
Besides bread,
Yabo.
into abahlala bayisho, mawuvuka ekuseni into yokuqala yenza, light is electricity.
Already,
Understand?
yabo nama
Mawuvula amanzi is money.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Everything we pay.
yonke into.
Yabo ndani
Noma ngathi uhlala
emakhaya.
endlini uba into the whole day still you're spending money.
Uyabhadala ukuba ngihlala endlini. Mawuphefumula kumele ukhokhe.
Eish.
Everything we pay eGauteng, but
Sure.
yeah, I think the difference is too much, Nathi
Okay.
siyayibonela nje ukuthi kuhlukile. For
Yeah.
me as well, ngibona ukuthi I know
Yeah.
life is a bit tough here. You must be awake. You must be ready to run all the time. Yeah.
Yeah. So yini lento bekuhlakaniphisa ukuthi ukwazi ukuyibona lento le. Because abanye abantu bayafika endaweni enjalo masithi bangayiboni into.
Well, mina ngikhulele etavern.
Okay,
Ekhaya,
okay,
yabo,
Kapinam.
Yeah,
Khule ngesigubhu.
ngikhule etavern ngiye-high school Monday to Monday. Kuhlala kunomsindo ekhaya.
Mm.
And then there were days where bengihamba ngiyothengisa because bekuyithavern kabhuti wami.
Mm.
Ngiyothengisa lapho-ke. I mean, you would see man ubona abantu abadala ukuthi hey labantu man baphile enye impilo fast kumele nawe-ke ube vacare yabona. So I think just that experience alone has enlightened me so much about life and also to strive and be better.
Sure.
Because as people are coming to drink lapha endlini yabona ukuthi omunye nje uza ngemali yokugcina yasemsebenzini ukuthi
So-
manje I remember this other day there was an incident actually because I think it was around 1 a.m. Ngithengisa mina-ke bengilala ebusuku. That time kumele ngifunde ngise-high school. But we have to survive. So this other couple came. Apparently they were not a couple. They were just bajole khona lapha emnandini. So umama wasendlini waza because uzile ukuthi ukhona lapha kaseli yabona. And then kwavuka one thing that she mentioned that women was like udla nemali yabantwana la. Yabona sazi ukuthi uphumile emsebenzini mara nangu udla imali yabantwana yabona. So it's little incidences like that make you to be like, hey, yeah, no. As a casting umbrella, you need to be wise because if you are working, we have so many men that are working but they don't take care of amakhaya wakubo.
Sure.
Or
They don't send money home.
Exactly. Things like that. Yeah.
Okay. I'm glad ukuthi uresile le part ukuthi ukhulele tavern. Especially for the fact ukuthi you also sing gospel. Understand? And I know that you are a born again child of God. Yabo. So but i-upbringing yakho or into ekukhulisile ukuze ukhuliswe imali yasethaveni ayikuphathisa amahloni lento le.
Oh, nix.
Yes.
I mean, background I'm proud of it.
Sure.
Any day, anytime.
Sure.
Any day.
That's what's up.
Yabona namanje nje ungakitheli Limpopo omunye umuntu bekasakhuluma athi sizo expecta ke bothapela ukuthi ube nale big dimension yabona. Futhi angifuni nokuyishintsha la ndlela because it gives me so much memories and comfort. Yabona. So my point is that my background, I'm never ashamed of my background. I don't care ukuthi ngikhulele emkhukhwini. There was a time bengilala emkhukhwini. I-RDP angisho.
But when you had an outside room
and I stayed at
Sure,
peacefully so.
Do you
get what I'm trying to say? Hey,
it was
I
a
am
normal
proud.
thing. It was a
I
norm.
am proud. Yeah, I mean, khona abanye abantu badliswa ama-background wabo. I think, man, any situation that you've been through at the past, because of that situation, it made you who you are today.
Sure.
I don't want to think about what happened in the past. Let's say a person was raped or molested when they were young, and they are this successful maybe today. Mina ngithi bonga asijabuleli lento enzakele, but if it was not because of that motive, your why would not make sense today. You get what I'm trying to say? So for me, it's that your past, your upbringing, your predisposing factors have established you to the person that you are today. And if today you feel like, okay, I'm good, I'm happy, and I'm going somewhere, be grateful for that. But let's not have a defense mechanism. Even those that didn't do well, now when they look back, they feel like my past have had an impact on shaping me who I am. Do something. Let's not use that as an excuse to where we are today. So me, I'm proud of where
Manje, ufike ithembisa ikasi le-disc yabo. That's why namhlanje sinabo Themba Zwane, sinabo Tito Maswanganyi. Back in the days we had abo-Jerry Skhosana. We always had like ama-superstars nje. Like bayashintshana makuphiwe le generation yalo kungena lo. So amajita vele bekuyi-culture kithi ekasi ukuthi kumele sidlale ibhola estradini masibuya sike. So amajita mawadlala i-disc wena bowenza.
Mina azange ngidlale, yazi ngidlala i-sports. I have never played any sports, honestly. Incwadi nokucula, that's it. Or church. That's how I grew up, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So angisho manje wena uyafika la uyela eMpopo, i-tavern sometimes ayivuli maybe ngeMonday or ngeTuesday. As much as i-sports zakudala bezingafani zamanje vele. Because of dala futhi bekunama-tavern bekunebhodi. Kunobehluko abantu abaningi abayazi difference le yabo. So but i-business iba slow ngabo-Tuesday, Wednesday abantu abaphuzi kakhulu. So point is bekwenzeka ukuthi ungathengisi on those days. So buwenzani wena?
Mina bengicula man. Yazi I remember I had a choir at high school.
Good.
ePhumulong. Yeah, sure. I had a choir ePhumulong laphayana. We were doing so well naliya choir.
What is the name of the choir?
No, besibiza ukuthi it didn't even have a name.
Okay.
Because it was, I took people from school. Njengoba ngingena lapha ePhumulong. Ngahlanganisa abantu then from the choir. Belidwa yimi. I created that group.
Sure.
Yeah. And then I remember this other time actually, who's the former commissioner was SAPS, this woman, what's her name? Waphuma futhi.
SAPS.
SAPS. Remember Marikana's story?
Yeah.
She was somehow involved. That lady.
Okay.
Pierre something.
Okay.
Whatever. So before she became that commissioner,
sure,
her little sister was working lapha ePhumulong. So they said, no, we want you guys to come and sing. She had an event, big event somewhere in Centurion. So we went with my choir. You know, my keyboards, what 10,000 back in the days. So the choir was doing very, very well.
Sure.
And some of the people today, they are in the music space actually because of the very same choir. So in my leisure time, it was singing all the time. Singing.
Shout out to that. Shout out to that for the fact to call something. It keep abantwana away from streets, number one. And number two, we're pruning their talent. Because they are doing well, they are doing music today professionally.
No, they are.
Sure. Then again, mina ngwazele e-Faith Mission. Ukhulele tavern, ungena kanjani esontweni? Salvation ithola kanjani?
My parents, they were pastors.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, into
so they were sonta AFM.
Okay.
So when I came to
Joburg,
they were already Limpopo.
Okay.
Yeah, but they were old. They gave birth to me very late. Because my mom was 50, I think, when she gave birth to me. And then
But was not you.
But you saved the best for last.
Sure.
Okay, maybe that's wrong. They're the best as well. But I'm just saying they saved a certain product.
Sure.
That came right. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So yeah, unfortunately they passed now.
So,
but anosibadala
yeah.
Kithi la buhle mina kulelang asana this story much cha umuntu makashona these days sithi amen hallelujah shapu siyabonga off to the next chapter. It's not easy, I know, but we are not. But now when you come to my sessions, I'll always put you at that point.
Okay.
By the way, I'm a psychologist, you know that.
Sure, I know.
Hey, I'll try to create that space for you. It's a journey, and we need to fight to get you right and be okay and heal from that, because we can't bring the lost one. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's that.
So uyafika esontweni wenzani? Ujoin worship team or ujoin choir?
Ngangena AFM. I was part of the Sunday school.
Yeah.
Sunday school, immediately they promoted me to be part of the worshipers.
Yeah.
You know, at that age. So, and then AFM I joined 2010, then I left. I went to Hope Restoration. I joined the choir.
Okay.
Hope you're in a choir, ne worshiping team. So your choir will just sing one song a Sunday. So this
almost every church.
Yeah, this Sunday, mina ngiyaqala ukujoin isonto. The following Sunday ngijoin choir. Angilibisa ingoma. The following Sunday promote at the same time.
So
worshiping team. Yeah. So you do this church all the time, you know? So it was that.
Okay. Then so uyacula eHope abantu bayakurecognize. So then ungena kanjani music professional because mina uma ngiphaphana ngithaphela ku Spirit of Praise.
Yes.
So it might be not the first professional gig yakho, zaziwa who was better. So ungena kanjani professional?
Actually, it was the first professional gig.
Okay.
Spirit of Praise. Spirit of Praise.
Sure.
Yeah. So I went to auditions, this other day. There's another friend of mine who Andres invite her to say.
Uphi Andres ve? Last time ngahlangana ngijethi I think he moved to Limpopo.
Yes, Limpopo apparently. So he invites me to this auditions at Spirit of Praise. I don't know Spirit of Praise mina at that time. To come ngikhaphe uthi ngikhaphe naye ngiyazivela ithi ngikhaphe. So ngifika lapha naye ngasho ukuthi bathi imali ku audition ngathi ayena mina isifohleleke ngingene ngisho sizabona phambili.
Sure.
And music at that time was just for fun, not really something that ngibona ukuthi no yabo.
Sure.
So then I audition ke bangithatha mina ke lapho they took me, then I joined Spirit of Praise Volume 4, and it came at the right time because that was in 2014 after no, it was 2012.
Okay.
Yeah, it was 2012. Because I did my matric in 2010 and then I didn't perform well. I went back again in 2011.
Sure.
In 2011, instead of me getting my full results, I got incomplete results. I had to take a gap year. Then I went for the auditions at Spirit of Praise to cover up, you know. It went well. So that took me from there in 2012. Volume 4. I did Volume 4. I did Volume 5 with them. And there was Xhosha ke bafaka abanye.
Bangixoshela?
Yes, obviously chayile phela ngisho banikeze elinye talent chance.
Okay.
Initially their plan was to do one project phela. But basincenga ke bathi singene on the second project, which is Volume 5. Yeah.
Now uThapelo siyamazi thina uThapelo grand uthanda uNkulunkulu, is humble. Sekaphila nama celebrity. Kwenzakalani life yakho?
I think I've mentioned that also to say nothing has changed.
Yeah, with you nothing has changed, but akubi nama surprise ukuthi yo kanti kunje la ngaphandle and all these things. What are you learning from there? And what are you experiencing from there?
Yes, I don't remember getting to a point where I'm shocked.
Okay.
Of what I see. I think maybe I'm open-minded and I don't have so much expectations from people. I don't care what umfundisi or win. I always know to you, this person is a human.
Sure.
And this person is not perfect.
Maturity.
Yeah, but lo muntu akekho perfect and lo muntu angazenza impazamo. And it's fine. It's their journey. So there's things that I have seen in the industry, truth be told. Yeah, but azange zingilahle phansi, never. Because now I did my own shit in life, you know. Oh, sorry, shit. Exactly. I also have my own faults that people know or might not know. Okay. So when I see a person, or rather when I see the industry and see all the celebrities, I go with an open mind to say, listen, people do things that are crazy for this fame. People are doing scary things to just get their names going, you know, babe relevant. People do stuff we won't even mention, but people do things as mean to just be relevant. Yeah.
Yeah, but the reason ngibuza leyo question because of khona abanye abantu lento le balimazi. Yabo, because of umuntu is looking up to someone, mbone TV worshipha kamnandi and everything. Mafika lapha mtholo umephuza utshwala wenza yini kanti kunje nobani wenza so then ke nami ngayenza lento if yenziwa ubani. So that's the reason I'm asking this question.
Yeah, but I think people must just be open-minded, man. Yes, because there's no one who's perfect, guys.
Sure.
And if you seek perfection from people, you'll always get hurt. If I'm singing as a gospel singer, I'm singing to heal you musically. Take what works for you in me and live on that. My personal life, try as much as you can to shy away from it.
Sure.
And take my skill. That's why masicasho emsebenzini bathatha skill sethu. Yeah, they don't really matter much about what I do mangifike ekhaya. That's my life. That's personal.
Sure.
It has nothing to do with the production emsebenzini. So same thing with us receivers. Yeah, no, if ngimamele omunye umuntu angibusisa, let me take what that person gives me.
Sure.
It comes from the right place. Clearly, umuntu makangena e-studio ayenze music. they want to achieve something,
Mm.
to say, I'm passionate about this.
Mm.
I want people to hear my soul. I want people to hear the message that they can relate with.
And enye into abantu kumele ba-understand ukuthi yes, abothabelo bangacula i-gospel, but it's not everyone who's a born again ocula i-gospel. Omunye i-career, uthanda ukucula nje. Omunye futhi uyayithanda ne-gospel, but akasingiswa.
Njalo, exactly.
Mm.
Wena phuma ebantwini ukuthi bayenzani,
Sure.
izokulimaza. Thatha le nto abusesa ngayo, uhambe ngayo.
Mm.
Yes, now you are encourage. We don't encourage these people to live recklessly.
Mm.
You know, I don't encourage myself to live recklessly.
Mm.
You know what I'm saying? Because I know what gospel on its own has been labeled in a certain way to say you need to live righteous and holy and all of those things. Yeah, but singishwela bona futhi ama-gospel ministers may include that, you know, because that's the understanding of the mass of the people. They already have that image. But when they forget that you're also human. You make mistakes like everybody else. But my point is that people, or rather followers of whoever that you're following, try and take what these people offer to you. Get out of impilo yakhe ukuthi uyenzani, because naye kumele aphile phela. There's a love that they need. I can't stop my life now.
Can't stop living.
I can't stop living. You know what I'm saying? I need to collect experiences in life. Yeah, bon. Hey, ngasibe moshe all the time. Kiphile kiloko khune mole. Yoba nzima impilo. This journey is long.
Sure.
Hey, I must make mistakes. I must get it right. Kumele ngiyenzeni uNkulunkulu angiperfecte as I journey with life. Yeah, but I continue to activate, or rather do this passion of mine, which is music, and I bless people kanjalo kanjalo.
What is the difference between a minister and an artist? Because in the gospel, we are ministers.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Yeah. Yeah, when I put him out to minister, then get yes, cage kamnandi, and I love that. It's perfect. Minister, you are ministering. That's a lifestyle for you. Yeah, boy. And then the artist. You're bringing art in this. I mean, that's why today I don't want to use. Actually, I have people in mind, but I won't name them. Yeah, but we have artists with secular that would hold in gospel. Because gospel people are vulnerable. People need this story. Then they use that to just touch life. They know what you'll buy it anyway. Okay. They are artists, those people. They are art. They're working with art. They're working with our emotions. Yeah, but ministers, now it's a whole umbrella for me. Somebody that says, listen, I am preaching this word and I'm living this word. Okay. Yeah.
So a minister and a worshiper is a fan? The one.
A minister and a worshiper. Oh, tricky one. Think one. A worshiper, for me, a worshiper could be anyone. I'm a worshiper of God. I worship God. That's me. I worship God. Somebody can be a worshiper of Amadlos or Sangom. They are worshiping that. You are idolizing it. That's what you're believing in. You are worshiping. You are giving that the glory that it deserves. So a worshiper could be any person.
What is worship?
Worship Dumisa. It's to give honor and glory to something.
So I can give honor and glory through my lifestyle?
To something, yeah. Yes. To what exactly? Yes, you could. Yes.
Because of
you could worship. We have people that self-worship themselves. No,
that's why ngifuna siyilungisa ngisho.
Yeah, no. Worshiper, it's not to sing. No, it's really not. Any person can be a worshiper in God. I mean, in church perspective, any person can be a worshiper. You can just get on that stage and worship God. Tell him who he is. That's worship. You are telling someone who they are. You are giving them the honor that they deserve. Then there is music worshippers. Music worshippers, they worship God through music. Yeah.
Okay. What is praise?
Praise.
I'm sure praise and worship.
Oh yeah. Okay. Praise. Yeah, it's definitely not worship. Worship it's
but still
worship, it's giving a person glory and honor, even when there is nothing.
Sure.
And then praise comes with certain achievements that you've acquired. Yeah, yo, I'm going to praise the Lord because he has done 1, 2, 3 for me. Yeah, I'm praising him. Yeah, because he has done 1, 2, 3 for me. Okay. Then there is worship now. I say to God, there is nothing that I see. I'm in this dry space. I'm going through so much. I'm hurt. izinto azihlangani, but I choose to worship you
Sure.
regardless.
Mm.
I don't need to see things happening in my life for me to give you the worship. Worship says he is God. He is God and is mighty like that.
You praise him for who he is.
I worship him
In
for
fact, you
who
worship
he
him for
is.
who he
Yes, I
is.
worship him for who he is.
Sure.
I praise him because I am seeing 1, 2, 3 that is happening
Okay.
in my
Okay.
life. That's the difference.
No.
Makes sense,
No.
right?
It's clear.
Yes.
Clear. I believe it was one of the perfect definitions.
Yeah, so confused. Uthola ukuthi mawumele ucule lapha esontweni during a worship, but it's time to worship. Then we have people that are praising God at that time through song. So it's important now to listen to what the song says.
Okay.
Don't just start the song during worship that is of praise. Yeah, but you must listen to it. Angifuni ukuzisebenzisa imizekelo yengoma. Yabona? But ngizathini? Ngihlala mara. Eish, I'll think about it.
Mara
But
masithi yanya mahala ka Jesu.
awa. Yeah, izokuthi ayenzi during worship. Uyabona? Hayi man. Amanye worshiper, I will tell him that wamuhle Jesu kimi, umuhle. He is beautiful, uyabona? Oh holy, you are holy. He is holy. Yabona, that song has no expectations or no achievements.
Sure.
He's just holy. That's who he is.
Okay.
Yabona, Almighty warrior is the mighty warrior, the great in battle. We know that he's great. Yabona, I'm worshiping him. I'm telling him who he is with no expectations. Yabona.
So masithi uziliphathe kahle le evangeli phela sikhuluma
Manja, it has nothing to do with God.
Yeah.
That's
So
just a song of motivation to a person.
siyashumayela kahle kahle.
Yeah, I'm inspiring someone. So liphathe kahle ivangeli, yabona?
Okay. No, it's clear. Nangu Thapelo.
Mm.
Sekayithestile i-success music because of you saying like on the mainstream. So ucula ku Spirit of Praise, abantu bayakubona, we are touring, like we experience yonke into experience umuntu ocula professionally. Then nangu Thapelo sesimbona sebenza emaphoyiseni njani manje because of abantu abaningi once bangena lapha bazofocusa ku music phela. So ibuyaphi lento le? Uyithola phi inspiration ukuthi or motivation ukuthi ubalance, maybe have another career and stuff like, and ungena kanjani lapha emaphoyiseni bowenzani futhi?
Okay. SAPSA was a registered trauma counselor for the SAPS. So I studied psychology with the University of Venda.
Ufunda so Spirit of Praise or before?
I was still in Spirit of Praise at the time. Yeah, so I was being taught my class because I was in Venda.
Sure.
And I came back.
Yeah.
So I studied and graduated. Then I got a license to become an independent registered trauma counselor. And subsequently, that's how I got into SAPS. So now I was a registered trauma counselor for the police.
Okay.
Yabo, ngingene kanjalo ku-SAPS. Yeah.
Asikhulume ngama challenges okusebenza lapho because of amaphoyisa abona izinto ezithusayo. So ama challenges bohlangabezana nawo yini nawo?
I mean, they go through a lot. I mean, like you say, they witness dead bodies. They are involved in some crime
Omunye
scene.
ubulala umuntu for the first time.
I remember this other time, they called me to come witness. One police killed themselves, committed suicide. And then I was able to be given a chance to come see the scene, just to understand. These people are traumatized. And you could see this is too much. I mean, blood all over. You know what I'm saying? So that's traumatic on its own. Besides their personal issues that they face, because they also go through a lot. Abantu, they have so much. Salary mancane, so it's a lot that they go through. So working there, it's quite challenging for police officers, but it has its own advantages because I mean it creates job employment, also our safety as a nation.
Yeah.
So iyanceda manje shem lokho bakuthola kho iyapetsha khona.
Yeah.
Even the benefits as well that they get kanjalo.
Yeah. So but wena mabuya emsebenzini bobuya unjani, like uqeda ukuzwa zonke izitori lezi zalabantu and wena boricharge kuphi?
Yeah, it's important that as a psychologist you also go get help from somewhere.
Sure.
Go get help somewhere as well. Be recharged, be fresh. Beside praying, also creating activities just to unwind and refresh
Okay.
time to time. Come back into life and be human, because it can be overwhelming to sit and talk nomuntu for hours. Elokhu ekutshela inkinga singabi ne-progress siba nayo. Yabona, it's too much, and it's a couple of people that time. So create time for your own refreshment, just to refresh your mind.
No, so as a psychologist, now we are a psychologist.
Yeah, you must see someone. So now I would do that sometimes. Just go vent out and speak to somebody else. Yeah.
But sometimes akukho lula phela ukuthi ukhansela umuntu okhansela abantu because of uyakubona ukuthi kahle kahle uzama ukwenzani. Angithi sometimes umuntu kumele umrobhe like yabo.
Awasigrow kuma-session. Kuma-session asigrow. I can't rob you.
Okay.
I can't do that. Yeah,
but you kanjani trust yami ukuthi ngize open up?
You come already knowing. Angisho wena mawusuka endlini phela ngikulandi phela mina.
Mara sometimes ngisende i-partner yami or ngisende ama-parents, but you are going through a lot. We are booking you a session. You should see someone.
And then you have a right to turn back. You have a right to turn back still. But my point is that...
As much as I have a right, I'm sorry. So to interrupt. As much as I have a right, but sometimes angisho baba insist ngiyabona mhlambi into yabe nganceda. But mina angibelieve le nto because abantu abaningi bathi hayi into zabongama leso. Yabo. So I believe uhlangabezena nabantu abaningi abanjalo bathi hayi le nto ayispan into yabongama. So budila kanjani nabantu abanjalo?
I mean, there's what we call we redress, or rather creating a safer environment for a patient or a client at that time, put you at a point where you need to understand ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi uye kuma therapist, because kakhulu elokishini ke, because angisho elokishini we are not well informed about this profession. Nasemakhaya ke, because uthola ukuthi umuntu une-schizophrenic disorder, bathi ukuhlanya elokishini. Then masithi sicetha sithi bamthakathile, yabona into ezinjalo. And we don't know that this patient actually just need to see someone, they need to go to a psychiatric hospital, they need to be admitted, for your well-being. It has nothing to do with witchcraft. The person must just see someone, get medication, live with that, probably chronically kanjalo. So kubalekile ukuthi bathi baphume. Because manje elokishini mawungayi bathi uyahlanya, bawise enyangeni, bayagezisa, bathi uyalunga mncane, uyathwasa, ziningi izinto. So we need to be informed and get knowledge about these things. Not everything that you see emuntwini mangekho right uyahlanya loyo muntu. No. Some people were born with disorders, and one of those is your schizophrenic. Ngimentiona kakhulu because yiyo common emalokishini sithi masibona umuntu uyahlanya bamthakathile. Kanti a person was born like that. Because kuyakhula ngisho ukukhula as you grow old, or rather kuba visible into ezinjalo. So basihambise nabantu kuma-therapist.
Yini bipolar?
It depends. We have a mild, we have a clinical bipolar, yabona. And then inama-episode ahlukahlukene kanjalo emuntwini. But it goes with your mood, You can have high moods, or you can have extremely low moods. Yabona baza abantu abanjalo. Extra energetic, and they switch all the time. It depends on ukuthi iwephi category. It could be clinical, it could be mild. Yabona ezi clinically lazy ngempela uyabona ukuthi okay, this is out of control, lo muntu udinga i-medication or admission. Yabona people with mild bipolar most of the time siphila nabo sicabanga ukuthi ba normal, kanti mana khona into edinga attention kumuntu lapho, yabo. But it has to do with your moods, yabo.
Okay, asingene kule nto leyo abantu abayifunayo, asingene kuma-idols. So waze kanjani ngama-audition ama-idols? In fact, waze nini ukuthi kunento abayibiza ngama-idols and interest iqalaphi?
Ama-idols nathi phela sazi ukuthi akhona yes, but bengingacabanga ukuthi ngizoya laphayana in any day of my life. Yabo, bengihlala ngibona nje beveze TV ngithi hayi ngizame.
Ngikhumbula noKhaya kuyiwaya.
Abantu abaningi elokishini ngebashe.
Sithi hayi we are voting for Khaya.
Bazamazamile abo-Andresi.
Sure, even Andres.
Yabo, so nami ke the reason why I auditioned that year is because ngibonile bathi it's visual. Maybe send the video. Okay, that's easy. Then I don't have to go queue those thousands and thousands queues that we always see back in the days. And I saw the advert and I was like, no, let me give it a try. Sent, and they'll respond positively.
Okay.
And I went. Okay, but remember for a live audition where we see the judges now.
How was the journey?
No, it was beautiful and challenging. I enjoyed the experience. As tough as it was, you know, I would have sleepless nights because I knew it's secular music. That time I don't know secular music, Pelamina, gospel singer.
Yeah.
So each day for me it was a learning because I had to sit with new songs every time. Funding, it's okay. How am I gonna go about this? Ngizokrema kanjani bafethu? Because Sunday ngiyacula phela
Kumele wazi
manje.
ama-lyrics.
Hey, you know, so it was challenging for me. So while others were having fun, I was learning. So Ngati, I've never had the experience of bonding much with the contestants or enjoying the activities that they would give to us. Because every time bengihlezi kanje, ngicabanga ama-lyrics kuthi Nkosi yami, nobamba kanjani Sunday phela nayo. Yabo into ezinjalo. So yeah, I think that also helped a lot in terms of winning because I took it very serious. Once I was in, but okay, I'm part of the top 12. Ngicala ukuba serious ngempela ngathi yabona manje kumele ngibe yabo
Okay.
push. Sunday mayifika kumele bese ngiyazi choreography, kumele bese ngiyazi ingoma, kumele nje ngibe ready with anything.
Okay.
So it helped.
Yeah. Then ke i-challenge yamavoti like because of abanye abantu bayabhoreka ukuthi njalo kumele ngihlale ngicela abantu, kumele ngibancenge and everything yabo.
Yeah.
So wena ubudila ngayo kanjani?
I think ngincenge kakhulu ekuqaleni because angisho we were trying to I was pushing with people to know me. But as the competition progressed, it was effortless for the people to just vote because they started to identify whom they love more.
Sebabondile now.
Sebabondile nabantu babo, babondile nabantu ezinjalo. So it becomes effortless. You don't need to ask all the time. Uvele nje uye ngokubonga. Okay, thank you for making me to go over the next.
But nangaphandle bone team.
Yeah, no, there were people really routine. Angisho kusizile ukukhulele esontweni.
Sure.
You know, bebakhona amabandla.
Yeah.
Bebakhona abantu base-subs.
Sure.
They were really pushing. They were my friends as well. They were really just coming in to push Ilona, my votes.
Yeah. I-brand yakho iyenzeleni lento le?
Yo, it really gave it a very good push because, you know, miss, with this branding things, you need to be known by many for you to get jobs and to be recognized. So really the platform Emma Idols helped a lot with that.
Winning now, yeah.
Winning 1 million, I think, ne? Yeah.
Iphi imoto?
And a car, I sold it.
Yeah. Awusangayi yona, ungayi nge-50,000.
You take it before you put back and say garage.
Okay.
Hey, guys, think it's too small for me. I'm too tall, guys. Let me get something big. So yeah, I did that. And then what else? I mean, clothes. Yeah, nice gifts, man. It was beautiful. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Then after lapho ama-feature ways, like maybe hip hop artists ufuna ukufeature because of the in thing. Gospel artist, abanye vele kudala basebenza now. Sengisho like abantu abasha.
Yeah.
New contacts.
Yeah, I did have a lot of those people approaching, but thinking ukuthi mina ngahamba ke a year later after winning, and then I chose to go work in the ship cruise.
Okay.
Yeah, but again, and a lot of people started to be like, oh, shame he's not around. But even now that I'm here, I get a lot of features. I mean, since I came back now, I'm yet to do the 4th recording with people featuring me. It's not even mine. Yeah, but so yeah, it's still working very well.
Yeah. Then your cruise ship was part of the Idols prizes.
No, it was not.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. So buya lapho ke. Then now uThapelo uqeda ukuwina, simi expect ukumbona everywhere.
Yeah.
uThapelo buyile emsebenzini.
Sure.
Njani manje? Ne-million ndoda.
I-million yini guys? Yazi mawukhipha i-10 rand i-million iphelile. So ma-rechange.
Ayikasi baba. Ikasi baba mophethe imeter baba sizwa ngawo.
Ngeke. Then awuna wisdom phela manje. Sabe sophuma kula ma-episode but I blew it. Kumele ube nokuhlakanipha. Awustophi. Money is never enough.
Sure.
We keep grinding. As long as sisaphila, grind until the end.
Yeah.
Stop ukuhasla masuhambile uNkulunkulu akukhumbulile.
Mara mawuya emsebenzini treatment ayichange.
Kanjani? Well, people were excited, but one thing about me is that I'll give you a reason to still understand that I'm still the same person. Nothing changes. I'm very good with that. Yeah, but I feel land because I'm angifuni.
Okay.
Yeah. So yes, they were very happy taking pictures, la. But then I kept it content
Mm.
to make them understand that, listen, I'm still the same type.
Sure.
Just that we're my idols, and then that's it. It's okay. Let's move on. It's life.
And I appreciate your votes.
Hey, Smogile, amen. Thanks. But let's move on.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's why I was able to go back to work.
Okay.
Mm.
Indaba ye-cruise ship iza kanjani?
Lapho ke bangidm ka Instagram. But okay, here's the offer. Ngathi it's a lie. But okay, sharp. Let's give it a try. Then I went first contract, loved it. That's why I'm still there today. As I resign and I'm 17.
What countries are you doing?
Well, it's all rounder. We go everywhere. Goes with a contract at that time. The first contract I did the Caribbean islands. I did Europe. I did what? I think it was those two for about 6 months. Then the next contract I did a lot of Europe. Yeah, and then the third contract I did Abu Hawaii. I did America, LA, bit of Caribbeans. Now I'm going again. I'm going to do South Australia, Hong Kong, Tokyo, kanjalo. So it's just you're moving.
But the accent they change. Ngiyatshela
phela.
njengama-American.
I never. For ini ubona why bangakhulumi njengami?
That's a good question.
Hey,
That's a good
bakhulume
question.
njengami bona. Omunye bangakhuluma the way akhule ngakhona.
Sure.
Right ngakhona. Hey, so nami ngilapho ke ngikhuluma the way ngifuna ukukhuluma ngakhona.
What was your best country?
I loved a lot of them, yes, honestly, because I've never been there. I'm one person that loves seeing new places all the time.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh, you love traveling there?
I love traveling. I fell in love with it now as I was busy working. Yeah.
Sure.
Like you see this contract that I'm gonna do now. I don't know those places. I've never been. If maybe I had to go to Europe, I'll be like, oh, I'll be excited, but I'll be like, okay, I know this place. But now this one, man, I've never been in Australia.
Sure.
I've never been in China. I've never been in Tokyo, Brazil. I'm excited for this contract. So, but in all the ones that I've done, I loved the European countries. I really enjoyed them because there's so much to see in terms of shops. Yeah, man, and it's beautiful. Yeah, Lisbon. I love Lisbon.
Oh,
it was one of my favorite.
Sure.
Lisbon, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Thina le siyazela ku-professor lapha ku-Mine Heist. Because babiza ngala magama wama-city lawo.
Yes, Lisbon. I know it's nice to travel, honestly.
The weather?
Kuyahlukahlukana. Ngisho I'm not in one place. Yes, some places are too rainy. Like the Caribbeans, the weather changes.
Wena-adapta kanjani ku-weather like umzimba wakho?
Angazi vele kube nenhlanhla yazi ukuthi angikhulakhuli every time when I'm there. Well, I work out a lot. Ukuthi nginonile manje njengoba sengibuye ekhaya.
Sihlala sikubona ujima online lapha mo-live
ku-Instagram. Yes, I keep fit so that I don't get sick. Because I usually travel in different places a lot. Weathers are not the same. Malaria. So trying to keep fit is not just because I want. I don't like keeping fit.
Sure.
I'm forced to keep fit because I don't want to get sick.
Yeah, but nale wisdom.
Wisdom, but it works both ways.
Sure.
Yes.
Then ikaulo.
Well, we eat in the ship, but you can go explore different food outside wherever you are. You know. Now I'm going to China. I head but kunezinyoka. I want to go try that out. Angisho bathi angeke ngife. Ukudla phela. Sesambeni siyozama phela. Ngeke sife singazi ukuthi sithethisa kanjani lezi zinto. Siyozama. Why am I traveling if I'm not gonna try all these new things? Ngiyozama sokubona phambili.
Sozobuya la sofuna inyoka la.
Sengifuna inyoka.
Sofuna ama-Chinese restaurant.
Ngifuna amathambo enyoka manje ngathola.
Siyafika lapha ekhaya sithi sifuna inyama enhloko no
azabe crocodile man samay kwela kuthengiswa khona i-crocodile or imbhunthi yomuntu bathengisa mayidla ngisewukanda
sesikubalekela wena. Alright, then ke uThapelo na ngiyatravela kumnandi ngakubona ulive the question le ibuya lapho ngakubona ulive ukuthi bafethu masama amakhanda akusho ukuthi the man
injani
yenzakalani abantu bafunani kuwe ama expectation abantu abanjani mabuya la?
Well, that question was not directed to me. It was
Ushilo
directed
vele,
to
till you generalize.
I was just generalizing because
Mm.
there's a couple of people that I work with. They face that a lot from their families and friends because they are traveling. They think they have this big money. It's not true. So, sebenza njengawo wonke umuntu, man. Honestly speaking, yeah, but it's more of a promotion from where you come from. Like I was working in subs,
Sure.
and then this job offers me better what subs was
Sure.
giving me.
Sure.
Even if it was in South Africa, I'll still move and go work. Maybe if I was working in subs and then labor says we are hiring, we need
And
a
chances are maybe difference is 10,000,
yeah, but
20,000.
into enjalo. Naleyo 10 rand, it's different. Ngizohamba mina. Yabo,
And sometimes not about money, like you said. Maybe a chance to travel.
chance to travel and explore and see the life. Yabona into
Tothi imali
ezinjalo.
iyafana yase-subs.
Yayibona into ezinjalo.
Sure, ngiyakuthola.
Though ayifani bengiyangihamba because I love
Okay.
my country.
Okay.
But yabona, but that's what I'm trying to say.
Mm.
Ukuthi pressure should not be given to people that are trying in generally in life. Either they're working abroad or not. Even like I just don't give people that are trying life difficulties, more especially friends and family. Ngiyabona ayikho right lento lutho bantu bazozaba nokusebenza manje ngenxa yokuthi bazi ukuthi hey kune-line ezabe ithi ngifuna ayikho right.
So mangali now my bills, like in terms of rent and other things.
Fortunately with my job I don't have bills, yes. Apha hayi uyithola iphelele injalo ba right. Yabo, because they cover that everything. They cover all the expenses that you can think of, from food, accommodation. I mean ngihlala emkhumbini Mr. So angikhokhi.
So is it wise ukuthi uThapela athengise indlu yakhe asave imali? Because akahlali kuyo. Uhlala ngekho. Then mase kabuye sekadecide ukuya kuye country aqale phansi athenge indlu.
Well, it depends on an individual. I wouldn't see a problem for that, honestly, because you know you're not around. But the problem is that with this type of jobs, it's contracts. And it's not a permanent thing. So as you are working, invest on something, have it, and then go invest. Because if you keep money,
Sure.
but keep because you can sit and but if you are working and investing, it's not a loss.
Sure.
It's
an investment.
I can still
pay it
sell
off.
it. Exactly.
Sure. Oh. Yeah, because ngiyazibuza noma ngingena la indlu engaka mara le ndlu lemusi umuntu akahlala la wezaka ngale ndlu lengaka.
Akhona ohlalayo, khona umuntu angasekhaya ngiyakhipha lana to stay.
Sure.
And just look after it.
It's important vele ngeke ushi empty vele.
Exactly.
So any advice to umuntu ofuna ukuphila lempilo iphilayo ofuna ukutravel umhlaba?
Ngizathini mara lapho ke
Advise them on how to get a job and stuff.
Okay, no. There's a lot of posts out there of traveling. You know, it might not be ship cruise, but just jobs abroad. There's plenty.
Okay.
Just Google and research. You know, research. Just do proper research. You would find jobs. Don't be afraid to travel. Yeah, and also check the legitimacy of the company that you would wanna be part of, just to be sure, because there's human trafficking.
Sure. That's why ngikubuza le question.
Yeah, but check the legitimacy, check the people that are there. Just do thorough research before you travel. Yeah, but I mean, lately, a lot of people are traveling to work abroad. I don't want to lie.
Akhona ma specific site abangachecka kuwo?
I only know with my job, you can go to Royal Caribbean Carriers, for an example.
Okay.
You're able to check there, check which profession you want to be part of. Then you apply from there if there's post.
Okay. So ngashada ngisho umfazi wami la ngiphinde ngihambe ngitravel?
Yes, you can. Because we have a lot of married people in Lapayan. Sometimes you invite them over for a weekend or a week, 2 weeks, whatever, and they go back. Ngisho ufuna umsebenzi, ufuna i-maintenance. You want your family to live a certain lifestyle.
Uyangena le ndlini yami.
Kumele kuyenzakaleni.
Ngibuya nespa.
Ubuya ngesibonisa. Nawe angisho uzaxofa le ngaphandle.
Oh, into eniyenzayo.
Okay, mina ngiyenzi le. Sengiyasho nje ukuthi if umuntu negazi.
Sure.
If Madia Wavela all the time, they already encourage. But people must go work. If there's no job that pays better here at home and it's there abroad, why not go?
And manganga le mentality leyo angeke uthi usebenze.
Angeke.
Ufuna ukugadana nomuntu and stuff.
Exactly. Isikhathi siyahamba phela manje. Kuhle ukuthi omnye uyozama something. There's a bigger door that is open. Go and try.
Sure.
Yabona.
And kuhle ukuthi into zakho uzenze useseyanga.
Usaseyanga. When I'm still very young. It's just okay. By the time I'm saying 50, I must be living large. I need to live large at that time. 40, 50 is far. 40 nkulunkulu. I must live large at that time. Yeah,
So this is part of sacrifices.
yes.
So you are sacrificing now so that later uzokwazi ukuphila kamnandi.
Life should be like that. Yeah,
But you pay now and play later.
Pay later.
Or play now and pay later.
Exactly.
So when
It's
I
your
decided
choice
to
to
pay now so that you can play later.
Exactly.
Now I feel you.
Yes.
I feel you.
That's it.
No, Siyabonga Thapelo. Thank you so much. No, before ngivala, asikhulume nge-AI because of when uhamba amanye ama-country anzima, yabo. Technology is more advanced compared to us. How far are we in AI?
Yini AI?
Artificial intelligence. Lento le take over manje yama-robot.
Oh, the thinking less.
Yes. Njengani uma ngicula so recording company manje yakhona ukusayina artist ye-robot. Imagine.
Yo, guys.
Besikhuluma ngayo last noThapelo ngimtshela ukuthi naye azasho ukuthi AI uyakhona ukuthi udlale i-keyboard kuphela bese nikufakela ama-drums nikufakele so ithatha amajob angaka.
Yeah, no, it's stealing so many jobs for people.
But kulama country wahambile i-technology yakhona i-advance kangakana.
It is advanced, Shem abroad. I don't wanna lie. I mean, you could see even if Naguma mode of transport that they are using, you know, more faster than the ones that we have. Like, there's so many things that you see that are artificial. There's so many things, man, that are too artificial. Actually, to come to think about it, like we engage a model to fast food instead of somebody giving it physically to you. There's some drop of some machines you just collect and things are happening. So imisebenzi iyahamba.
Iyo le bakhuluma ngayo ukuthi ungena maybe Pick n Pay, uthatha itroli, uyayiphusha, maloku ufaka ama-product lapha iyabhala usuke imali.
Exactly.
Then uyafika lapha ku-till nakhona self-service.
Everything is self-service lately. Because imisebenzi ayisekho. Akusakhawunti, but there's packaging. Now ama-Uber ntoni manje uhlezi endlini vele u-order. And ma-order kanje kusho ukuthi there's 3 people that didn't get the job. Because now there is convenience for the customers. Into ezinjalo. So we are moving with time. That's why people must go and try out there empilweni.
Before kuba kubi. Mase kuba kubi abantu abafana nawe abaqala i-early bazoba sebagrade.
Maybe you collect, you labor now and reap later.
Yeah. Okay. So in closing, Thapelo, any message to our subscribers at home?
Guys, keep supporting Quantum Podcast. I love it so much because it brings a different perspective into us, the interview. We usually know most of the podcasts, but me uncomfortable. And I've never felt anything like that since I did this with you guys. So thank you so much. Let's support good initiatives that have good motives out of people, you know, inspiring and very educational. From this podcast, I alone have learned so much. I've enjoyed, chatting, stressed my mind in certain ways. So thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Siyabonga. Thank you for honoring our invitation. Thank you for welcome ekhaya lakho into your private space. Because of manje isikhathi ukuthi wena rest because of usebenza kakhulu mase organic. So isikhathi ukuthi ube one ube ne what we call a me time.
Yes.
But we was vumela ukuthi size ngalesi sikhathi leso. Siyabonga kakhulu. So siyabonga abafethu, siyabonga. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and hit the notification button. Ukuthi next time asingene rankings sithi bip bese nawe uyadwadla uranka nathi. So that's it from me, your boy Siya Chem. All I can say is 8 Awola.